The Riverside Elementary community came together to spread kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. During their annual Unity Day parade, students dressed in eye-catching bright orange to send a visible message that no child should ever experience bullying. In the days leading up to the parade, classes were busy creating posters and banners filled with positive phrases and kind words. During the parade, Riverside's young and talented Boomin' Bears drumline led the spirited procession. This is the perfect team of student musicians to lead a Unity Day parade, since their principles of respect, honesty, and kindness mirror the themes of Unity Day. To show their community support, Newport News police officers, Warwick High School's football team, and the Chick-fil-A Cow were all in attendance to cheer on the students' efforts to spread kindness and inclusion.